What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I just acquired this fiveplex right here that you can see, and in the backyard is some hidden value because this right here could be a little parking lot. I would have to finish the pavement from there all the way through here, and I think I could fit about 3 parking spots. 1, 2, 3, right? So here's how I look at this to decide whether or not I actually want to do this. I don't just come in here and make random renovations. I make renovations according to return on investment. So you have to know the ROI calculation, which is the additional income you're able to get divided by your investment. Okay, so let's just say that this driveway cost $3,600 to put in, right, to finish all the pavement and to get the lines painted. That's $3,600, and I'm able to actually get maybe $30, $33 for each parking spot. So that's an additional $100 per month, right, for 3 spots. So that's 100 times 12 is $1,200 for the year, an additional income for this $3,600 investment. When you take 1,200 divided by 3,600, that's actually a 33% cash on cash return for your investment, and that's an ongoing cash on cash return as long as 3 out of the 5 tenants want to actually pay the additional $33 a month in their rent for these parking spaces. So for me, if that's the quote that I get, I'm gonna actually have somebody come out today. If that's the quote that I get, then I'm gonna go, because anywhere I can put my money that and have it be earning 33% cash on cash return, I'm doing it. So this is how I evaluate the renovations and the updates that I do in a particular property. It either has to increase the value of the property for a potential refi, or it has to increase the actual net operating income on that property, meaning I'm able to increase rents or decrease expenses as a result of that investment. So we don't just come in here and make random renovations just because they look nice. We do it strategically to make sure that our money is actually being employed and being employed at the highest level of productivity. All right, so if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Do a free webinar occasionally on how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals, and I go in detail to the extent of making decisions like this even after you've acquired a property like this. All right, so again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. Much love, y'all. Peace.